Hello to everyone. In the previous video, we used only straw and produced 346.30 grams of mushrooms, achieving 86% biological efficiency. You know, wheat bran increases productivity. But to make it easy, we did not use wheat bran in these bags. I wondered if I could get 2 flashes, and waited another 2 weeks for the bags. Let's take a closer look. 1 here and 2 here. I'm curious about the diameter of that big one. Let's measure. About 11.5 centimeters. Good. If our compost was bigger, of course we would be able to produce more mushrooms. And we could have bigger clusters. We made it with these bags to show you that it is easy and practical. Maybe you remember from the previous video. We obtained 346.50 grams of mushrooms from 400 grams of substrate. And we achieved 86% biological efficiency. Now, I will pluck and weigh these grown mushrooms and add them to the total harvest. I'll wait a few more days for the mushrooms in the other bag to grow. Yes, I am plucking these 2 mushrooms. Although it is not very heavy, let's include it in the harvest anyway. The weight of these 2 mushrooms is 56.10 grams. Let's take notes. After a few days, when we pluck the mushrooms in the other bag, we will weigh them again. 2 days passed. Our mushrooms in the other bag have also grown. They may grow larger for a day or 2, but they will start to deform. Let's pluck them and weigh them right away. $59.7 grams. Yes, friends, we produced a total of 115.8 grams of mushrooms in the second flush. We produced 462.3 grams of mushrooms in both flushes. The dry weight of our compost, including the seeds, was 400 grams. When we compare it to the 462.30 grams of mushrooms we produce, we achieved a biological efficiency of 115%. Using only straw. In our next work, we will use wheat bran and we will see its effects together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.